my YouTube and Facebook family. Hope so all of you are doing well. Today our lecture is about Mughal Empire in subcontinent and the reason behind their decline. मुगल जो 6 रूलर्स थे उनके जो एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हैं उनमें हैं बाबर, हुमायूं, अकबर, जहांगीर, शाहजहां, औरंगजेब और इनका टिन्योर भी साथ मेंशन है। Mughal dynasty in India started from Babur in 1526 when he defeated the last ruler of Lodi dynasty Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat. Although Mughal dynasty officially lasted till 1858, the first 6 rulers were worth discussing after the death of Aurangzeb in 1707. The Mughal dynasty lost its grip over India. Decline of Mughal. The dynasty, which was started by Mughal in 1526 in India, was one of the greatest dynasties in the history of world. We do not find many kings or emperors who can match the glory and might of Mughal emperors. Aurangzeb was the sixth and last strong ruler of Mughal dynasty who controlled his territories with authority. After the death of Aurangzeb in 1707, the Mughal Empire started to decline and never recovered. Finally, in 1858, the Mughal was officially ended by British. और जो लास्ट रूलर मुगल डायनेस्टी का था वो था बहादुर शाह जफर, जिसको रंगून में जो है वो दफन भी किया गया और वहीं पे जेल में रखा गया। There are several factors which resulted in the decline of Mughal dynasty, which are as under. Wars of Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb was very ambitious ruler. He wanted to capture whole the India, especially southern states. These South Indian states were very strong and had defended themselves against Akbar, Jahangir, and Shah Jahan. On the other hand, he was trying to control Afghanistan and Persia. Other than wars of annexation, he was also faced by many rebellions. He invested all of the treasures of Mughal dynasty into his wars. जो भी उनके पास खजाने थे उन्होंने जंगों में इस्तेमाल कर दिए। तो इस तरह ये खजाने की कमी की वजह से भी इनका डिक्लाइन शुरू हुआ। एट द एंड ऑफ हिज reign, Mughal treasury was exhausted and the successors of Aurangzeb did not have sufficient money to control the vast empire of India. Incapable successors of Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb did not train his son as his father had trained him and his brother. His sons were weak and were unable to stamp their authority over all the lands which were ruled by Aurangzeb. Governors of different provinces started to declare themselves independent of Mughal rule. Rebellion started immediately after the death of Aurangzeb, and these weak successors were unable to crush them. राइज ऑफ मराठास भी उन्होंने भी इंटरफेरेंस स्टार्ट किया जिसकी वजह से डिक्लाइन सब कॉन्टिनेंट में डिक्लाइन आया। मराठास वर हिंदूज ऑफ साउथ इंडिया। मराठास स्टार्टेड टू हेट औरंगजेब ड्यू टू हिज एंटी हिंदू पॉलिसी। शिवाजी was one of the noble among them. He united them on the basis of nationalism. He said to get rid of Aurangzeb, the Marathas need to raise arms against him. They although started their struggle in the reign of Aurangzeb, but he was successful in crushing them. Shivaji was very powerful and a good general. He fought many battles with Aurangzeb. However, he was finally killed by Mughal armies, and Aurangzeb was able to control the Marathas' rebellions. After the death of Aurangzeb, Marathas rose again. This time, there was no one on the Mughal throne to stop them. They grew stronger and finally took Delhi from Mughal. Rise of British in subcontinent. British East India Company was established in 1600. Was given a charter to trade in India east of Africa by Queen Elizabeth. British took a long time to establish themselves in India. British were more advanced than Indians in every field. They had experience of external diplomacy due to their interaction with other nations of Europe. British, after spending a century in India, realized that they can control the politics of India for their own favor. Since the start of 18th century, British had started to interfere in local politics of India. By mid 18th century, British got control of Bengal. सबसे पहले उन्होंने बंगाल को कंट्रोल किया, उसके बाद सिंध, पंजाब और इस तरह सारे एरियाज को ऐसा ऐसा करके पूरे सब कॉन्टिनेंट को उन्होंने अपने कंट्रोल में ले लिया। देन दे एक्सपेंडेड देयर सर्कल ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस। ब्रिटिश द पावर फ्रॉम द हैंड्स ऑफ मुगल ऑफिशियली इन 1858। 1857 में जो जंग हुई उसके बाद जो सब कॉन्टिनेंट का कंट्रोल था वो ब्रिटिश के हैंड में चला गया। आज के लिए इतना ही। होप सो आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। इस तरह के मजीद वीडियोस देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, मेरे फेसबुक पेज को फॉलो करें। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज।